Okay, so we have this song, E, C sharp minor, A to B, pretty much through the whole song. We want that the G sharp of the E chord to be real prominent, and that's what you hear, that really nice rub between the third and the one. So what he's doing, we're up here, our E over G sharp would be this, and then we're adding the E on top. So what we're doing, we want to bar all of the strings on the fifth, all 5 of the bottom strings here, and then leave the E open, because we need to do a hammer on from 9 to 11. But we also want these other strings to ring out, which gives us a double stop feel. That some people will call that a Hendrix feel, Jimi Hendrix. So we want that, but we also want the E to ring out. So we have this. Okay, so you're going to get, minimally you want these 3 notes in the end, like that. Then the little lick is just now the advantage of being here is the relative minor of E is C sharp. So if we take this part of our chord and we just add C sharp, we now have C sharp minor. So we just do the same thing. And then we can go back to E. Right, so the whole thing goes. It's an A bar chord to a B bar chord, and repeat. I play it differently. I play the E over G sharp part down here for the same notes. But on our acoustic guitar, the strings are usually harder to push down here than they are up here. And if you're trying to avoid hitting the E string when you do the hammer on, you don't want to choke it off. Here we're putting an extra string in between those two. So we have the A string there. What I would do is mute it with this finger. So now I'm barring there, and I'm muting the A string, but I can still have the E string ringing out. And then I can go, here's my G sharp. So I'm still getting that sound, but I can do it more cleanly, and it's a little brighter, a little easier to do for me because, again, the strings are a little closer to the fretboard back here. The difference is you need that finger on your E note to stay. So then when you do you just need to hold that finger down all the time. So you sound like this. Same thing though, right here is our C sharp note. So now we're in C sharp minor. We can do the same move. A to B. So it sounds like this. video, what you'll see the acoustic guitar player doing, and of course they're miming. They're not really playing at that moment, so they're sort of doing a video and acting along with it. He's playing here. And then going down here. That's kind of an interesting jump. You could do that if you want. I like keeping it right in the same place. And then I end up on this same chord that he's playing. So that's pretty much it. If you want to do the what I just did there, where we barred here and we put both these fingers on at the same time, that's a good one. Or you can just hold these down initially and only hammer on with the one finger. So that's the song. I hope that helps. And let me know if you need any clarifications.